Myntri Ketenat Community and Rural Development AT Mondal hakasi Pyllait ula pentep baka sorkar keladaban pelat hadu 100% kabai Tiar Trei juga skim shispa Sngi MGN REGA hakajela lai thu bayakani ka pisa ladaban pelat nadu Shiteng mensua.
For the works already have been executed, and as per wages are concerned, that has been released early, and it is going directly to the accounts of the individual job card holders.
No, the point is
because this whatever is pending, this is for the past work which has been executed already. New work will be taken in the same process. But as I told you that in future we will pursue with the central government that fund is released as early as possible, so that the work is not hampered.
what is it?
No reason from our
Is
side.
it-
I am telling no reason or no fault from our side. 50% we have released, and the delay is because the clearance from the central government, and the sharing as far the material is concerned, it is 75 by 25%, 75% by 25%. So unless the center releases the fund, it is very difficult for us to just release this 25% and keep people happy. So we were waiting, and it is a continuous process, and we'll be insisting that the remaining 50% also would be released as early as possible. Because the fund is not directly released from our end, it is released from the central government. So they must have some problems. So our thing is that the moment we get the fund, we try to release it as early as possible.
But in these 2 years, how many times you have returned to the
The matter has been pursued as and when required.
So far
Pending for 2021 means that not that all were pending. We were trying to release the fund.
No,
122
till date.
till date.
And this 50% is for which year that is good, that has
I
been
think
released?
I'll have to get all the details. I asked them to furnish me, so all details will come.